Deming Hayhurst House, circa 1853, built in the Italianate and shingle style. Said to be the oldest standing structure in the Juliana Historic District, the front portion of the main house and the two outbuildings in the rear were built in 1853 by Charles T. Deming, who was the captain of a riverboat. The outbuilding on the north rear side housed servants' quarters and a kitchen, and the outbuilding to the south rear side was a carriage house with several stalls and a small apartment above. The original Deming lot filled the half block along Juliana Street, but the family sold off lots at the end of the century. Deming added rooms to the back portion of the main house and around the turn of the century enclosed a veranda which ran around the front and south side of the house. Each addition reflected the architectural trend of its era, so the house combines Italianate and Dutch colonial shingle styles. In 1926, Mildred Dare Hanna acquired the property and converted the house into 4 apartments, living in one of them herself. Her estate sold the property to Richard Bird in 1960, who maintained the apartment configuration, and in 1970 sold the property to Mr. and Mrs. James Mick. They returned the house to a single-family dwelling and sold it to the present owners in 1980. The original portion of the house, which is closest to the street, had 2 wood-burning fireplaces. In subsequent additions, the 8 other fireplaces were constructed to burn natural gas, as well as all lighting fixtures throughout the house. The 3-story house totals 6,600 square feet in 16 rooms with 2 staircases.